last week after I did the Dave Nut challenge, I had to go and drive, and I was on the national road. And while I was driving, unfortunately, I touched my eye, and yeah, it wasn't a fun experience driving on the N1 with your eyes on fire. So today I've got my new friends with, and I don't like it. I hate it. I, ugh. But yeah, I mean, this stuff really burns your eyes. So let's do the solar flare. Yeah. Once again, please guys subscribe, watch my videos, like my videos. Um, I do appreciate it, and you guys make a huge difference. Here's the rules. Um, Basically, it's very similar to the DevNet. That's the rules. You guys can see there.